Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on adding folders to the Start menu on Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. When you add a folder to the Start menu, it will show an icon for it next to the Power button. On Windows 11 desktop, go to the search bar at the bottom, search for Settings and then open them. In Settings, select Personalization from the left sidebar. Personalization settings, select Start. From the Start menu settings, select Folders. Here you can enable and disable toggles for different folders that you want to show on the Start menu. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows 11 tips and tricks.